is we're going to unbox a Universal Tower Parts 24 series cooling tower fan. This one here is a 60-inch diameter fan, but we just wanted to show you how it arrives. It arrives in this case, 3 boxes that come in a wood crate on a pallet. So they're very secure when they come. So when they arrive to your job site or your shop, they'll be in very good condition. So the first thing we're going to do is let's pull out the fan hub. As you can see, the fan hub is cast aluminum with stainless steel hardware, if you choose stainless steel hardware. The hub in and of itself is high strength aircraft grade 6061-T6 or marine grade 5052-H32 aluminum plate. The center of the hub can be cast aluminum or stainless steel, like I said before, based upon your choice. The hub that comes with it is cast ductile iron. But if you take a look at it, it's very, very high quality. Cast aluminum, easy to work with. It's really top of the line. It's an extreme value. These fans will save you a lot of money and produce very high efficiency. Secondly, let's pull out a fan blade. Like I said, this is a 4-blade system. When attached to the hub is a 60-inch fan. And what I can tell you about these fans is that they are aluminum. They run from, you can get a fan in a 7-foot to 14-foot diameter. You can get smaller as well, but on average, you can get a 3 to 14 blade configuration. And that's always dependent upon what size hub you're going to have as well. Now this is a sample fan that we just brought in for display in our Wilcall showroom here. You can manually adjust them. You can have the adjustment markings set at the factory for easy installation for your tower. Let's take the tip cover off here. Take a look at the profile down the edge. See, it's a set blade angle here. This edge high, so you can't mistake it. You know you're not going to be down, you're going to be up. And let's go in here and see what else we got. Another fan blade. Gives you rules of thumb on here. It's cast aluminum with aluminum sheeting, and it's manufactured on a computer-controlled machinery for accuracy and repeatability. Tested air side and sound performance. It's supplied with complete QD style split taper bushing and all mounting hardware. Let's come over here and let's pull out the other fan blades that go with it. The Series 24 aluminum fans are designed to be low noise, lightweight, cost effective, revolutionary in their design, with a twist tapered fan blade, meaning that it curves over and it's got the tip on there. And also, it's a very innovative design. The manufacturer that we represent that makes these fans has been making these fans for over 25 years. and they do an excellent job. And through the years that we've been providing these on their behalf, we've never had a single problem or a complaint. Everything's gone straight in. Everybody comes back and buys more. So we thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was of some help to you in understanding the fans we sell. Thank you. Installing the blades into the hub is a very simple project. There's not much to it. Everything lines up so well that you really won't run into any obstacles in doing this. So the first thing is you take the bolts and the nuts off the hub. Remove the collar. Simply place the fan into the collar. Slide it back in to the hub. Of course, the nuts are nylock, so they won't come loose. At this point, you'll set your pitch on the blade. Once you get a little bit of tension on it, of course, you'd want to set these at the proper torque, but for purposes of demonstration, we're just showing you how the fan assembles. And there you go.